Check out this melody I wrote. Hey, it's Avi. Welcome back to May Melody Madness, where I'm celebrating the release of my course, the Melody Mastery Mini Course. More on that at the end of the video. Today, I want to show you 3 really simple ways that you can add chromaticism to your melody. So the first place where we can add some chromaticism is called a passing tone, and we have a passing tone right over here. A passing tone is a note that falls outside of the harmony of a chord, so it's a non-chord tone. What makes it a passing tone is that it is happening between chord tones, and a chord tone is any note or pitch that falls within a chord. How would we add a little bit of chromaticism here? We can make this F an F sharp. See how that feels. Now you notice how this is an F natural here. We may want to make that an F sharp too. We may not. Let our ear be the judge of that. I really enjoyed that. Just gave us this sense of brightness, this strange brightness that is then just stripped from us. I actually kind of dug that. Let's keep this F sharp hanging around while we move on to the next place where we can add some chromaticism to this melody. And that is a neighbor tone. Like a passing tone, a neighbor tone is not part of the harmony, but the neighbor tone has to be a step up or a step below that harmony. So for example, we could call this F here right at the beginning that we jump up to, we could actually call that a neighbor tone. It's on beat 2, but we quickly move to the E, which is in an A minor triad. And then we're on the strong beat on the D here. The way I'm personally hearing it really feels like a separate harmony, so that's what we're gonna go with. That means that this E is no longer part of the harmony. We can take this and flat it. Now, what about this E natural? Well, right now I'm okay with the E natural, but maybe I'll want to make it an E flat later on. The final way that we can add some chromaticism to a melody is by using the implied leading tone of the next harmony. Now, all that means is we're taking the leading tone function and imitating it, cloning it, in order to make another chord feel like the tonic. This could also, in minor, be the tonic itself, especially when you're harmonizing the minor scale in order to use that harmonic function, which is where we get the term harmonic minor. And in order to make a leading tone, we have to use a G sharp. It's very important that the leading tone is a half step below whatever it's leading to. Did you hear how that G sharp was really pulling us up towards that A? Let's listen to the whole thing. We now have 3 different places where we added some chromaticism. I think I want this E flat to stick around. So those are 3 places that you can add chromaticism to any melody. Look for your passing tones, look for your neighbor tones, and look where you can create an implied leading tone. If you want more melody tools just like this, check out my free video training, 7 ways to write a more effective melody. And if you want to go even further than that and learn how I wrote this melody with the great melodic formula, you should check out the Melody Mastery Mini Course. There you're going to learn everything I did in music school and beyond. I walk you through everything and explain it all in easy to use language. However, if you're not convinced and you want to learn a little bit more about it, you should check out the video popping up on your screen now, where you can see me compose the bass melody that we started with from today. Thanks so much for watching and for hanging out with me today. I'm Avi. Don't forget to be awesome.